Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the Fliqlo software on Windows 10. This is a simple and beautiful clock screensaver that makes your screen look more modern. Let's get started. The first step is to visit the official Fliqlo website. Open your web browser, type into the search bar fliqlo.com and press enter. On the website, you'll see an image of the clock screensaver. Click on this image to access the download page. Here, select the version for Windows, then click the Download button. Wait for the download to complete. Typically, the file will be saved in your Downloads folder. Open this folder, extract the downloaded file, and find the Fliqlo installation file. Right-click on the installation file and select Install to start the installation. If Windows shows a confirmation message, click Yes to proceed. Once the installation is successful, the Screensaver settings window will pop up. Here, you can customize how long the computer should be idle before the clock screensaver appears. Click Preview to see how it looks. Finally, click OK to finish. Now, Fliqlo has been successfully set as your screensaver. And that's it. I've just shown you how to install and set up Fliqlo on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.